This video shows you how to transfer a call from a VVX desktop phone to a VVX D60 handset. Keep in mind that your phone server needs to be configured for shared call appearance before you can use this feature. Both phones must use the same extension. There are two ways to transfer a call after you have answered it on your VVX desktop phone. With the first method, start by pressing the Hold button on the desktop phone. Then, on the D60 handset, press the left navigation key to select the Line menu. Next, choose Resume. The call moves from the desktop phone to the handset. The second method allows you to use both phones at once and does not require you to use Hold first. While a call is running on your desktop phone, pick up your D60 handset and select the Line menu. Choose Barge In. The call will run on both the desktop phone and handset simultaneously. With either method, you can hang up or end the call on the desktop phone without losing the call on the handset. If you do not see these options on your phones, then they are not configured for shared call appearance. To configure them for shared call appearance, call your Polycom reseller or system administrator. This concludes the tutorial.